some physical area இருந்தாலும் அங்க இருக்கிற எல்லா ஏரியாவுமே வந்து பவரை வந்து ரிசீவ் பண்ணாது. Almost only around 90-95% of the portion only will be receiving the power. Okay, so that portion is called the effective aperture area. Okay, so the effective aperture area is equal to eta into a physical area. Okay, that means eta means efficiency, aperture efficiency. So you can calculate aperture efficiency like this: AE divided by A physical. How much physical area is you are having, then how much portion of the physical area is actually receiving the power, Then finally, I told you the directivity and effective aperture are related with each other. Okay, so effective aperture area is equal to, in general, lambda square divided by 4 pi directive gain. DG means directive gain, or otherwise, if you want to know what is the maximum effective aperture, that is lambda square divided by 4 pi d naught. That means maximum directivity. So from this, once if you replace this, finally directivity is equal to 4 pi effective aperture area divided by lambda square. Generally, do not mention E max, something like that. Please always remember directivity is equal to 4 pi effective aperture area divided by lambda square. Please always remember this formula, very important. Okay, whenever you discuss about the antenna which is of parabolic type, then in those cases you have to use this formula. Directivity formula means 4 pi effective aperture area divided by lambda square, because whenever you have antenna structure something similar to parabolic, then you can actually have the area, because for other antennas you have only length. For a dipole antenna and lambda by dipole and all, you have only length of the antenna. For some kind of antenna alone only you can have a area. So in those cases, for directivity you have to use this formula. Directivity means 4 pi effective aperture area divided by lambda square. Effective aperture area divided by lambda square. You know what is directivity? Directivity means what? Maximum directive gain. Okay, because it is always a function of time. But once if you know what is the maximum direction, then it is actually denoting only one direction, on some particular direction. Say, for example, if this is transmitter and this is receiver, then when I say this line, then exactly that may give me the directivity, because I am fixing the line that may be the maximum, that may be the direction of maximum directive gain. So that means what? This is directivity. In general, DG is function of direction, but once you are again finding the maximum value in a particular direction, then D naught is independent of angle actually, because you are fixing the position, you are fixing the direction. So finally D is independent of angle, so it always denote in a particular angle. Okay, particular angle.